everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is my feel good journey. So my channel is about getting spiritually, mentally and physically healthy, and I also do reviews on stuff that I've purchased so far. After my spiritual awakening, I started manifesting so many things, and guess what, I wanted to do reviews on them just in case like it's something that you might have questions on, or that you are thinking about buying and you're not absolutely sure, you want a closer look. I'm here to help in any way, shape or form. So today I'm actually going to do a review on my Ugg slippers, and these are it right here. Let me show them to you real quick. Can you see? Can you see? Okay. I just want you to get like a really good close look at them. So these shoes, I really like them. So I never thought I was gonna get these, just like anything else like I do a review on. But the other day, you know, a couple weeks ago, I went to Macy's, and I always like to go, you know, I didn't have a lot of time, so I didn't really get a chance to actually look at the Uggs. I do need a new pair of Uggs this year. I have the Uggs that I've had. I have a couple of pairs, but they're a couple years old, so I kind of wanted new Uggs. So I went to the Ugg section, didn't have time to purchase anything that day. I just kind of, like I said, zoomed through. So as I'm zooming through the Ugg section, I ran across these, but they were actually another color. I think they were the gray ones, and I was like, those are a little interesting. Like, okay, like I don't know what to think about them. So, you know, I didn't really touch them or anything. I was just like, whoa, like I just took a mental picture of them, and then, you know, that's it. So then I got home, and then I was like, you know what, I actually really like those slippers, and I want them, because the more I thought about it at home, well, you know, I was already home hours later. This is weird, but I was like, I could really use them, like to go get the kids from school, to go get for a Target run, for whatever run. Like they're super like perfect, because like usually in the summertime I'll just like slip on my flip-flops and I'm ready to go or whatever when it's something fast. So I was like, I don't really have nothing like that for the winter. So then that's why I started thinking about these, and I'm really glad that I got them. Again, these are it. So I ended up ordering them online because, you know, I just, once I want something, I'll just like hurry up and order it. And I'm glad I did, because they were like sold out of my size. So I ended up going a size up, which I wish I would have read the reviews before I purchased them. So let me tell you what happened. I purchased them from the website, and they were a size 8. Then they only had a size 8, so then I wish I would have sized down, but I didn't. I ended up getting these size 8s, and guess what, they're a little bit big for me, but for me, I really don't mind it because I do wear my Uggs with socks. So I was like, you know what, it's not a big deal for me, but I know technically you're not supposed to wear socks with Uggs. So if you don't wear socks with Uggs, that's probably something you might want to think about before purchasing, is that they do run a little big. So but I'm happy with the size that I got, and they are, again, they're super comfortable, super cute. They look cute with jeans, they look cute with leggings, they look cute with everything. So here, I like them so much that I ended up getting my daughter these. So these are a little bit more sparkly because she's 10 and she loves pink, of course. And you know what, I was like, whoa, those are different. But you know what, me and her use the same size. I know she's 10 and we use the same size, but I'm really glad we do, because I like these. Like, I'm gonna wear these with jeans and so, or whatever, because they're like super cute too. These are size 7, and they fit more snug than those, so I could definitely see why somebody would want like to size down, because they do fit a little bit more snug, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm letting you know, just really think about the size that you're getting and how you want them to fit. So these are size 7, they fit perfect on me, not that the other ones don't, but these I could actually get away with not wearing socks with them, you know, if I ever decide to. So they're my daughter's again, but we share. But these are so cute, guys. These I actually got from the Victoria's Secret website, and they what's it called, because I didn't see them in the Ugg website. when I got these. Then, you know, I ended up going to the Victoria's Secret website, you know, a couple of days later, and I was like, oh my god, these are super cute, because I was actually looking for some other black Uggs, and then I saw these and I just had to get them for her. And I'm glad I did, because she loves them and she looks super, super cute on them. And you know what, I'm gonna wear them too, I'm not gonna lie. So anyways, so that is my review on my Ugg slippers. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. Also too, I would absolutely love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.